a set of silicone face care products. I want to show them to you really quick because I love them. So it comes with two of these, and two of these. So I'm going to tell you what I use each one of these for. So it comes with 2 silicone facial scrubbers. And if you see up close here, they're textured, but they're super soft, but they give you just enough texture for some exfoliation. And they have suctions on the back. So you can just, like this morning I used one in the shower and I just suctioned it to air dry on the side of the shower. And then the one I use at night when I wash my makeup off, I just suction it right next to the sink. So it stays clean and out of the way and can air dry that way. So my facial cleanser does not have any exfoliating beads in it. So I like using this when I apply my facial cleanser, which you can apply it with this silicone brush and help you smooth out face masks, cleanser. It's a great, nice little tool. It's super soft and flexible. And then when I have my cleanser on, I use this to get in there and exfoliate a little bit, gently exfoliate, because you don't want to do too much. And it just leaves your skin feeling cleaner, and it just helps you get a nice clean if you don't have a cleanser that has an exfoliator in it. Then it has these two. It's the same thing. You can see each side. One side is similar to that scrubbing brush. Is it going to focus there for you? And then the other side is a little thicker. You have like little thicker nubs on there. So I use these for 2 things. So one I use for my lips. And I like to just put regular Vaseline on my lips and I just scrub very gently to exfoliate my lips, especially in the wintertime. My lips get very dry, and so this kind of helps keep them smooth. And then the other one, you can use this if you have trouble with blackheads or some blemishes. You can use this to get a little deeper of a scrub for that. And I know there's a lot of other uses, but that's just how I like to use these products. But I definitely recommend, they're silicone, they're easy to clean, easy to use, and they're soft on your skin. I definitely recommend, check them out.